What's up, guys? We are talking Govee extensions here. This is the 16.4-foot Govee Prism extensions, but there's the same for the pros and the elites as well. If you pick up the extensions, they're going to send it to you in a plain box, no pictures or anything on it, but one set has 16.4 feet of the type of light that you pick. These are the prisms. I need this one because I am adding one more string of lights to my setup underneath the eave over here. Now, there are two things that you will need to know about any sort of extensions that you will be getting. First off, you can only use extensions. Each set 16.4 feet equals one set. You can only use them for the 100-foot set or the 150-foot set if you already have that. If you're getting this for the 200-foot set, you will not be able to connect them all together. Only on the 100 feet or 150 feet set. And this is because you can use a maximum of 200 feet on one controller here, one power controller here. Keep that in mind. So this is for the 100 or 100 feet set if you're adding an extension, an extra string of lights. Now, the second very important thing you need to know about these lights is that when you install them, once you're done, you need to go on the app, the Govee app, and you need to change the amount of strings that you have now. If you're adding one extra set, if you're going from 6 strings, which I have in a 100 feet set, I'm going from 6 strings to adding one more, 7 sets, 7 strings. If I had 2 of these, I would add it 2 more and be 8 sets total on the app. Make sure you change that, because if you do not change this, one of your strings will not light up. You have to tell the app that you have an extra addition. So make sure you change that on the app or you're going to run into some issues. So one thing you will do is add the extra segment of lights, extra string lights. So go into the lights that you will be connecting, adding that extra string, go to the top right corner, hit the settings, and right here where it says settings of number of segments, you click on that, and you're going to increase it by how many you added. I added 1 extra, so I added that there, and you leave it as that and hit that done there to register it. So remember to do this here. We go ahead and install these, and they work just like normal. Okay, guys, so the new strand installed. You can see the lights are on right now. I have connected to that power cable that I added to it. Remember, very important to add the extra segment on the app there. But it works. All the lights light up. Awesome.
We hope this review helps.